What kind of batteries do you use?
We are using the old one, so unless you request for the new one.
Oh, so you use the same battery?
Yeah, same.
Very clean.
Yeah, it's the new one.
Yeah.
The old one is just in last month.
They test every one?
Oh, sure. 100% check. Otherwise, we don't know which one is good.
Yeah.
Yeah, still the production line is we start from here, send it to the back room, and then the back room come out. So the production line. And once they are cleaned, we put it on the tray. We don't put it back in a paper bomb.
Okay.
On the tray, and then they will handle it more easier for doing the transportation. So they are all sitting on the street.
So it's cleaned, and it's reassembled.
Reassemble. What do you mean reassemble? So after they clean and fixed, they are functional. So we send to the dark room. We don't have